In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a dumbbell neutral grip shoulder press. One thing you'll notice straight off the bat is that I've got the bench here down. It's not in a position where it's up and I'm leaning against the bench. The added benefit of doing it this way is that you're going to get a little bit more core activation because you've got to stabilize your trunk as opposed to having this bench all the way up in an upright position and just leaning on the bench. Now, of course, you could do either variation. I've got a demo, an exercise demonstration of that variation if you're looking for it. Otherwise, if you're looking to work a little bit more core, the first thing you would do is bring your feet to shoulder width apart. I've got these weights on my thighs, and the first thing I'm going to do is come into a position where I've got the weights on my shoulders with my elbows tucked in towards my sides. From here, I'm going to come straight up, vertical above my head, bracing my core as I do so, bringing the weights down and keeping those elbows in, and then from here, I then repeat those repetitions. As I'm doing the repetitions, I'm making sure not to arch my lower back too much. From a side-on view, that looks like this. So nice and upright, shoulders back, bringing the weights into a position where they're in contact with my shoulder, elbows in. From here, looking forwards, bracing the core as I come up and slowly back down, lowering the weight under control with each repetition. If you get to the stage where you're doing really heavy weights, so to the point where you can't just hammer curl them up, what a lot of people will then do is use a bit of momentum with the knees to get them up into position. And of course, if you're going really heavy, that's where you might then want to start to use something like a bench, bringing it into that upright position and having yourself against the bench for more security and comfort. That's how to do a shoulder press with the neutral grip without any back assistance. And of course, you'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.